Keeping your ears to the ground, a guide to staying informed. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, keeping your ears to the ground. It's a metaphorical expression used widely in both personal and professional contexts. Understanding such phrases can really help in mastering the English language. So let's explore what it means to keep your ears to the ground. Ears to the ground is an idiom that means staying alert and well-informed about what is going on around you. It originates from the practice of placing one's ear to the ground to detect distant sounds, often used by trackers to hear the approach of animals or people. This phrase metaphorically suggests being vigilant and keeping informed about the latest news, trends, or developments. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use this phrase. In business, the best entrepreneurs keep their ears to the ground for the next big trend. In personal life, if you're looking for a job, it's important to keep your ears to the ground for any opportunities. In social situations, he always knows what's happening in the city. He really keeps his ears to the ground. These examples show that keeping your ears to the ground is about being proactive in gathering information and staying ahead. Keeping your ears to the ground is crucial for several reasons. It allows individuals and businesses to anticipate changes, seize opportunities, and avoid potential problems. In today's fast-paced world, information is power. Being informed helps you make better decisions and stay competitive, whether in your personal life, career, or business. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning of keeping your ears to the ground and why it's a valuable practice in various aspects of life. Remember, staying informed and alert is key to navigating the complexities of the modern world successfully. Thanks for watching, and keep your ears to the ground for our next video.